Namaskar. Today I am going to talk about something very important, and that is inflammation. Your body has an incredible built-in defense mechanism, and inflammation is one of its key responses. It's how your body protects and heals itself when there is an injury, infection, or stress. But a lot of discomfort you experience, like joint pain, fatigue, headaches, bloating, and even skin irritation, are also linked to inflammation. This doesn't mean that inflammation is always bad. In fact, it is essential for healing. The problem starts when it becomes chronic and stay switched on for too long. In this video, I will help you to understand what happens inside your body and teach you a simple, natural bedtime remedy to manage inflammation effectively. And towards the end, I will also tell you travel-friendly option you can carry with you anywhere, so your healing continues even on busy day. What happens in inflammation really? Where there is an injury or infection, the immune system sends white blood cells to protect and repair the area that is healthy. But when this response goes out of balance due to reasons like poor diet, lack of sleep, stress, or toxins, then inflammation becomes chronic. And that's where it starts harming us instead of helping with white blood cells, because the white blood cells are continuing to attack even healthy cells. Some common signs of chronic inflammations are joint stiffness or constant body ache, feeling tired even after rest, brain fog, mood swing, skin rashes or acne, frequent digestive issues, bloating, acidity, or heaviness after meals. These aren't always separate problems. Sometimes you may have to experience more than one of these symptoms of inflammation. Some unhealthy but common daily habits that trigger inflammation include eating too much sugar, fried or packaged food, late nights and poor sleep, lack of movements or poor digestion, too much stress or anxiety, regular use of painkillers or processed oil. But the good news is that you can help your body heal itself. Today, I'll teach you a herbal remedy which can help you effectively reduce the inflammation in your body and get relief from its painful and uncomfortable symptoms. The first remedy is effective because it uses natural ingredients like turmeric and black pepper. Even studies have found that turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Meanwhile, black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin. To make this anti-inflammatory remedy, you will need half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, a pinch of black pepper, half teaspoon raw honey. To make this, mix all these ingredients in a small bowl to form a smooth paste. Take 1 teaspoon of this mixture before going to bed, either directly or stirred into warm water or milk. Now, for those of you who have to travel a lot, let me give you a remedy you can carry with you everywhere. This remedy for managing inflammation is ginger candy. Ginger is anti-inflammatory and can reduce the damage caused by free radicals in your body. In addition, it also has an antioxidants and digestion supporting property. And the jaggery you will use add iron and mineral, making it a wholesome natural sweet dish. So try these ginger candies to manage your inflammation and sweet tooth. What you will need is 1 tablespoon grated mashed fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon grated jaggery. To make these ginger candies, in a small pan, add jaggery with 1 to 2 teaspoonfuls of water. Heat gently on low flame until it melts and becomes slightly syrupy. Add grated ginger, cinnamon, turmeric and black pepper. Stir continuously for 2-3 minutes until the mixture thickens. Remove from heat. Let it cool enough to handle but not harden. Grease your hand, preferably with ghee or oil. Pinch small amount and roll it into a tiny balls or drop spoonful onto a greased plate. Let them cool completely on a stored airtight container. Have one small piece daily, ideally before bed or after meals. Chew slowly to allow the active compounds mixed with saliva in your mouth and absorb better. Inflammation does not mean to become a lifelong problem. If you take simple steps like eating the right type of food, sleeping on time, and using natural remedies, the body will slowly start to balance itself because when an inflammation reduces, many small problems, whether indigestion, sleep, or joint pains, start to improve on their own. So take care now before the discomfort becomes disease. Take care. Namaskar.